I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. What kind of house are we going to go see today? Well, it's affordable, economical, sure beats renting. It has a quick occupancy, vinyl sided, updated windows, short walk to the downtown. Are you tired of renting? Are you just talking about being tired of renting? Let's do something about it. Let's check a house out that's affordable, that's cheaper than rent. This is Bowdoin Street. Used to go to school at Bowdoin Street School, which is now an elderly housing project. This is our house, the white one, with vinyl siding, nice modern roof. See the stainless steel liner in the chimney? Heating, siding, roof, everything's been updated in this one. And it's cheap. It's handicap friendly. We're all going to need a little help, a handicap ramp, or I bet you know someone that could use this. Your hospital's 2 blocks away, just like the downtown. Rear deck, a big one, plus a rear yard. It's more than a starter house. It could be a rental property this close to the hospital, ideal for a traveling nurse. See the 3rd floor? You've got enough space, they don't even use that. The vinyl siding was also complemented by doing the trim. Your trim up in the soffits around the windows is as much, sometimes even more expensive than the siding itself. This house was built around 1900. You had an insulated basement wall. They had web insulation come in and spray it with a high-tech foam. Makes it a lot easier to heat. You have a hybrid water heater, a heat pump. Those are real efficient. Modern oil hot water furnace. You have radiation, so you have even heat everywhere. This house is handicapped equipped, not just with the ramp out front, but there's a stair glide. Those aren't cheap, but boy, they're nice to have. I don't care how old you are. Someone in your family could utilize that, or think of the next buyer. I'd leave it in place because this is to stop the rent from being whipped out of your wallet. This is a chance to start owning something. It's a great house that isn't going to need any work done to it because vinyl siding, new windows, newer heating system, bath and a half, it's got a laundry room, appliances stay. There's a lot to be said. And check down below. See how low the price is? Why are you still renting? This is an ideal second home if you want to beat the heat in Florida, Texas, wherever you live now. It's a great rental house. Usually you can't make money running a single family house. This one you can because it's cheap enough. Near the hospital, got a big deck. The kitchen is all cabinets. 1,248 square feet. And if you decide you want to go up into the attic that has a stairway, you could add another 620 square feet. Glass top, electric oven, stove, modern kitchen, track lighting. That's a great black Kenmore Elite. I like the freezers on the bottom. Everything doesn't cascade out of the top. I don't know why they didn't make those with the bottom freezers for so long. There's a bar. It opens to the dining area that opens to the living room. New laminate floors too. Thanks for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. These simple run and gun videos give you the grand tour anytime, day or night. I encourage you to share this with someone you know in your social media circles if it's not your cup of tea. And if you need help with local financing, reach out. We'd love to help you get pre-approved for a home loan to stop renting. Here's that heavy-duty stair glide I told you about. This is not one that was bought from Runco or K-Tel. I think it was like 12 grand new. Hop in, buckle up, we're heading upstairs. But not before we see the laundry room. Or there's a toilet in the laundry room too, which is handy. New vinyl window, that one needs to be trimmed. Set tub, you have a toilet. This is your laundry room. With room for hobbies. What do you like to do for fun? Do you need like a den, a place to put your desk, to work from home? This could be a utility room. You come in a ramp to a porch room that's got insulated windows. You can go out behind the kitchen onto a big open deck. That's your downstairs. Nice neutral colors. Let's check out the 3 bedrooms, the full bath on the 2nd level. Your bathroom is at the head of the stairs. There's a tub, there's a shower. Bedroom number 1. See the zoned heating, the laminate floors? This bedroom is big. It's like a suite. You've got an area for your closet, to put a bureau over there. It looks like they had a TV on the wall. It's nice to have more than just a bedroom. More than just a bedroom with a closet. Bedroom number 2. This would get eastern sunlight, some even light from the north. It's a full 2.5-story home. No eaves to hit your head on. Bedroom 3 on this cheap-priced home in Holton, Maine. 3 bedrooms enough? Or would you expand into the 3rd floor attic area? Here's that attic area. The insulation all started. This is your attic, a walk-up attic. It'd be a great place for a teenager to have a hangout. See the 3rd floor? Do you need more than 3 bedrooms? If you did, you could put 2 more up here easily. Your basement has a hybrid water heater, heat pump, nice modern oil hot water zoned heating system, and the foundation walls, they're all insulated. The house pretty much is 624 square feet each level. That's how big your basement is. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morris. Thanks a lot for watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. This is an affordable home for sale in Holton, Maine. This is an ideal way to reach down and pull you out of the rent rut. We'll help you make it happen. We'll help you get a pre-approval letter. Look down below for the price. More details on this house on 4 Bowdoin Street in Holton, Maine. Quick occupancy, lots of updates, low-priced house for sale in Maine. This one qualifies. Do you for financing? See you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel, and please stick around. There's another video, another house after another house video coming at you. We know you only have so much time to binge on these real estate videos. Thanks for being a member of our channel. Don't forget to share the video and like the video and make comments down below.